Hi year one, it's Miss Spencer and we're going to continue doing our science topic all about materials. So we now know that objects are made from materials and they might be made from wood, fabric, glass, plastic, clay and other ones as well. So what we're going to look at today is why some objects are made from different materials. So let's look at our first one. So our first one is a window. Now, first thing I want you to tell me is what a window is made out of. Let's click the box to see if you were right. So if you said glass, fantastic. So let's talk about why a window is made out of glass and not something else. So first up, a glass is see-through. You can see through it. And that's the whole purpose of having a window, is that you can look out of it. Or say if you're driving your car, you can see other cars or other people as well. So it'd be very, very silly if we try and made a window out of something that we couldn't see through, like wood, because that's not the point of having a window. The point is to see through it. So we can't make it out of wood. So that's why it's made out of glass. Another reason is to let light in through the window as well. Otherwise, if you made it out of wood, again, your room would be dark constantly, and that's not the whole object of having a window. It's to let the light in. Also, if we made our window out of some fabric and it rained, your window would get very, very soggy, or it'd fall apart and it'd let all the rain through. So we don't want that, and that's why we need to make it out of glass as well. Glass has got no holes in it and it keeps the rain out as well, and that's what makes it a perfect material for windows. Let's have a look at our next object. So our next object is a pencil. So I wonder if you know what a pencil is made out of. Let's have a see. Well done, it's wood. Now, there's a few reasons why pencils are made out of wood. One of them is we need to sharpen it. So you can use a pencil sharpener for the wood and you can still use it and keep it nice and sharp. You probably wouldn't be able to sharpen it if it was made out of rubber or fabric. It wouldn't sharpen like that. So that's why wood is used. Wood is also quite hard as well. It's not really easy to break. So you wouldn't want a pencil which was really easy to snap, because you wouldn't have a pencil to write with. Also, you don't want something which is squashy like fabric as well. Because if you're trying to use your pencil and it squashes here, there, and everywhere, you're not going to be able to use it to write properly. So that's why wood is used, because it's hard, it can be sharpened, and it's also nice and smooth. It doesn't hurt your hands. It's not really rough on your hands when you're writing as well. So that's why wood is used and not one of the other materials. Let's have a look at our last one. So our last one is a frying pan. So I wonder if you know what frying pans are made out of. Again, let's have a little look. And it's metal. So frying pans need to get really hot when you cook with them. So metal is really, really good because it can get quite hot without melting. Again, you wouldn't want to use something which melts everywhere because you wouldn't have a frying pan. Also, metal lasts a very long time, so you don't need to keep going out buying a new frying pan every day. And also, metal is very easy to clean. So once you've used your frying pan and it's full of food, it's really easy to give it a wash. It's not like clothes that you have to put in the washing machine. So that's why metal is used for frying pans. So you can see that different objects need to be made out of different materials, because otherwise they wouldn't work properly. So what I want you to do now is your sheets that I showed you this morning. So you've got your describing materials. So you've got a range of different objects here, and I want you to draw a line to the property that it matches. So if we think about rubber gloves and what they're used for washing up. So they need to be waterproof, don't they? They can also be quite stretchy, so you can put your hand through. Same with the wellies, you can put a line to see which one it matches. Now, the objects might have the same property. So I'm thinking about the rubber gloves are quite stretchy, and so is an elastic band. So you want you to put a line to which one you think fits best. And then you've got your object description. So remember to go and on a hunt around your house, find 4 objects. And I want you in the first box to draw a picture and label it. And then in this one, think about what materials it's made out of as well, just like we've had a look today. Right, that's it for your science. So send us pictures of those 2 sheets on Seesaw so we can see what work you have done today. Have a lovely rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.